As promised. So, I've read this book in the past, but my mindset was not there to like grasp it at that point in time. I gave the book away, got other books. Just rebought this one again. So, bought a used version of it. So within the first chapters, whatever case is, a man tells a story of people are asking this wealthy man how he became rich. He explained to them that somebody that was wealthy, he asked them the same thing, and what that person advised him to do is basically take a portion of his earnings and save it. So he basically said a tenth of what you bring in per month or per paycheck, basically, keep that for yourself. So if you're running out buying designer or this, that, and the other, spending your money, you know what I'm saying, as a consumer, instead of paying department stores or whoever first, pay yourself first. So take that little portion. If you got, 401ks, this, that, and the other, that's cool. But make sure you have something that you're setting aside yourself and to use as an investment tool at some point in time. Even if you don't know anything about investing now, but just have that set to the side. So pay yourself first, then pay your bills, this, that, and the other. Then go splurge foolishly, whatever the case is, but pay yourself first. So with that being said, so after this man builds his wealth using this particular this particular steps, some of his friends from high school and all that fun stuff, like, hey man, like, we work every day, we work our fingers to the bone, we don't have two coins to rub together for ourselves collectively. Like, how do we get to your level? Like, you came from the same place as us. Like, how are you so rich and us not as much? Not even close. You know what I'm saying? So what he tells them is the same thing that was told to him. Like, hey, just kind of save a tenth. So I'll hop straight into the passage. Sorry for the delay, but I wanted to give the setup. So what he says is, when you advise us to do, okay, and it's a weird language, so I'm gonna try to read it as best possible. So, what then do you advise us to do that we also may become rich? Asked still another of his friends. The years have passed, and we are no longer young men, and we have nothing to put by. See the gray hair. So you got to get started at some point in time. The man, I advise that you take the wisdom that I was told to me, and say to yourselves, a part of all I earn is mine to keep. So, a part of all I earn is mine to keep. That's the passage. So, say it in the morning when you first arise. Say it at noon. Say it at night. Say it in each hour of every day. Say it to yourself until the words stand out like letters of fire across the sky. So, that would be someone's daily affirmation. So, you can make it as specific as best is the best deal. So, if I'm putting out to the universe like, hey, I want pizza, and I'm just stating the word pizza vaguely. So if the universe delivers me pizza, it could just literally be anchovies and pineapples. You know what I'm saying? Because I got the pizza I asked for. I wasn't specific, so I got pizza. You know what I'm saying? So same when you're asking the universe the same. So I don't want to read anymore. So you can check out the book, but that was the main thing. So this is, it's an older book, but when I mentioned on TikTok was, you want to say it with conviction. Like, you have to be very direct when putting out this energy. So whatever it is that you want, be very specific. If it's a house you want, if you know the square footage, colors, how many rooms, all that fun stuff, whatever case is, keep that in mind. You can write it down. That's the best bet. So these are all separate ones, and then I'll go through and whatever one I'm working on for the day, I'll write it down numerous times per day. I don't want to give you guys my secret sauce, but again, like, it's real. Like, you gotta write it, you gotta visualize it. Like, it's like a multi-part system. So keep that in mind though. So again, first thing in the morning. So as soon as you wake up, let's put it out there. Before you grab your phone and hop on social media, I'm doing all the weird stuff to get your mind all out of whack. Focus on what you want to focus on. Later during the day, it's going to cross your mind. So just be conscious that you're thinking of it. Write it down. Say it. Before you go to bed, as you're laying down, it should be the last thoughts that clear your mind. So none of the weirdness of the day, the crazy work day, the kids, the wife, husband, or whatever the case is. Just those affirmations, you go to sleep. You wake up first thing. So that's it. Sorry for the ranting. I just wanted to put it out there again. Read the passage. I lost my page, but I'll get back to it. So you guys take it easy. It's your boy Elgin.Entrepreneur. You can find me wherever. So talk to you soon. Peace.